Hey everybody, this is a great example of how to uncork platinum during our live trading day workshop with the group. So what we see here is the quarterly chart of platinum PL, and platinum is in a very tight trading range. We see it here for the last about 10 years. Well, there's a lot of power and energy stored in here, especially if we approach the upper side of this channel and as we break this stop run level. So we're actually looking for a cork pop, a big monthly or even quarterly green bar. You can see better how this is a very tight rating range here on the monthly chart, and we're just challenging to break out. Now during our live trading day with the group, we actually saw this opportunity, right, to trade intraday. Let's have a quick look at the weekly chart. Well, let's see on the next slide. I'm showing you the 4-chart layout, and this is the weekly chart we see on the next slide, just so you can orient yourself. So this is the trend, and when we've got a trend, well, we can trade a pattern in a lower time frame. Now we spotted this is a very typical S2 pattern, entry and stop. And if we look at the stop size, one time frame higher on the 60 minute, I mean, that's a ridiculously tight stop, right? Entry and stop. As we want to trade not only the weekly, we actually want to trade the quarterly chart breakout, the pop, right? A stop run move that comes from popping the upper side of the channel. Well, whenever that happens, the slingshot move, we're actually getting a strong momentum move that lasts. And whenever that happens, well, we get a good pattern flow. So we're actually looking, okay, are there other patterns coming up to build a pyramid? So this is what we saw then. Well, we had the stop run move and then a consolidation. And this consolidation reminded us of another pattern. Well, that's an S1 pattern we can see here. And the very important thing is, well, a test bar, this big excitable price action event, a 1 bar, typically it's a 1 bar, red bar, a scary bar. Well, this is what we're looking for to get into an S1 pattern. Entry and stop. Now this did really well, broke the consolidation high, and then we saw another very small consolidation. Well, we saw that and recognized it. Well, that's a potential S2, but not on the 5 minute, on the 1 minute. So we can drop now here on the 1 minute chart, and we can see, oh, well, that's actually an S2. It fulfills the rules. Well, I cannot go into detail here with the rule set. We did that during the workshop. This is the entry, this is the stop. So now we've got a pyramid of 3. It's the first one, we scaled in with the second one, and now that's the third one. Scaling here in with an S2 on a 1 minute chart. So let's see how that continued. This is the last one on the 1 minute chart, and actually a little bit later. This is when the live trading day was already over. Well, we saw there was another one, an S1 pattern. Again, we've got a test bar. It's always the same story, right? So this is the entry, this is the stop. So that's now the fourth trade of this pyramid on a 5 minute chart. There was even another consolidation. I was stalking that, but there was never a test bar, so no test bar, no trade. Let's see how that turned out. So these are the four trades. A really nice, very profitable pyramid. Our live trading day was on Thursday, so we had another day Friday, right? And I was trading the stop. The stops get united with the pyramid. So this was the united stop level just before the Friday close. I just closed the pyramid here on Friday with an astounding 32-hour result. If 1 hour is 1%, well, you've just made 32% within 2 days. Actually, when the markets opened on Sunday, price went even higher. You could have held that over the weekend and be even more profitable. Now, is this something that I mean, this happens only once? No, not at all. Let's have a look at the slide I showed during the webinar just before the workshop. This is platinum, right? And platinum, the target for platinum is actually 9,000 per ounce. Currently, we're at around 1,400, and there's much more room to go. So we will see a series, like many more moves like that I've just shown you. We can capitalize on. All these are stop run levels, and each of those levels will actually produce a very strong follow through. All this is a pattern. It's an S1 pattern from 2003. It lasted to 2020, so a 17-year long pattern. We've got our famous test bar, and that was the original entry into platinum. But it didn't do anything, right, for like 4 years, tight sideways range, and now it's waking up, actually catching up with silver and catching up with gold. This is what happens in the super cycle trends. So I hope that was of interest. That was a very exciting live trading day.